Hey there, Bricksters and Lego friends. I am here today with brick build number 3 of the birds. So we are going to do the hummingbird today. The hummingbird, that's what we're going to do. It's going to finish this off, build number 3. So we'll get that, and we got our separator. We got our parts here, and we got our instructions. So we are going to go to town and do number 3. A little different because this one's got a flower with it, so it'll be a little cooler. So today I decided to do a little bit different scenario on the build and use the above camera right here, alongside the regular camera there, and that will give us a different view. Bird's eye view, so to say. See what I did there? Bird's eye view? Yeah, anyway. And so we shall start constructing this and see where we get with it. I think it's going to be fun. I think it's going to be a cool build. These birds have been excellent. They've just been really, really fun to do. I'm glad I got these, actually. So yeah, it's been fun. Now, that is right there, and then we have one of these on that side, and one on that side. Okay, so from now on, we're going to speed things up, and then we'll come back to you when it's done. there we have it. The hummingbird. Yeah. So this turned out really, really cool. I really like this particular model. And I'm going to stick his snout right into the flower so that he's getting some nice nectar there. And it's looking really cool. I mean, these birds really, really do look cool. So, hummingbird, blue jay, and robin. Yeah, so cool. Well worth it if you can pick these up somewhere. And they speak for themselves. That's about it for me today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below, and hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time we upload a video. Take care, and I will talk to you guys again in the next video very shortly.